Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this absolutely lovely Volkswagen Tiguan SEL finished in deep pearl black. It's priced at 25,465 and it's done 24,918 miles. You've got your LED tail lamps and it is a TDI 6-speed manual. Full LEDs on the front as well, with your chrome grille. Tying in perfectly with your black paint, you've got gloss black 19-inch Victoria alloy wheels. They really suit the car and make it look really nice, and you don't see many of them with the gloss black version of the wheel on. I'll tell you a few more benefits about this approved used Volkswagen and I'll show you the inside. This approved used Volkswagen comes with 2 years roadside assistance and 2 years warranty as well. And it also gets a 142-point check by our Volkswagen qualified technicians. If you do opt for our PCP plan, you'll get 2 years of free servicing as well. As you can see, there's loads of AdBlue in there, and that just makes the engine a bit more efficient. You can have all different things. It's a fully digital display. Really nice to have on this car. You've got heated seats, and the seats are the Art Velour suede seats in black. Really nice. You've got your light headlining with your full panoramic sunroof that goes all the way to the back. The sunroof also opens using this controller here. You can enjoy the summer sun. Sun blind is controlled here. Got navigation built in on this car. Really useful system. You've also got your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and a few other features. Heated seats and full dual zone climate control as well. This car is absolutely fully packed and you're going to get really good fuel economy with it being a TDI. Priced at 25,465, it's really well priced. If you have any questions about this car or you'd like to bring in a part exchange or ask about finance, do not hesitate to contact us. All the details will be in the link in the description. Thanks for watching this video and we'll speak to you soon.